01 just crossed 200 million views. So you'd think people who work on these videos would actually know about money. But I don't think so. So we got these Smarties.
भाई इसमें चिली सॉस डाले हो?
That's disgusting.
डॉक्टर है।
And for the first time, we have this. No. Let's start with round number 1. Say you own gold worth 10 lakh rupees.
सही में?
And this is kept in a locker and you pay the bank 10,000 rupees every year to keep this gold in the locker. Now let's suppose there's a flood.
ठीक है.
After the flood, you find out that your gold is gone. You will have to bear all the losses, not the bank. Myth or fact?
myth है भाई ये
Myth है. Bank will.
What's your vote?
I don't know.
Actually, it's fact. It's your loss. If an act of God happens, a tornado हो जाए, earthquake हो जाए, a flood हो जाए, your stuff was in the locker, it's your responsibility, it's gone. In case of bank's negligence, then the bank is liable.
I thought थोड़ा अपने घर पे रख दो थोड़ा मासी के घर पे।
बासी वाला तो पक्का डूब जाएगा.
Drink your shots, भाई. Bliss drink. हाँ.
Oh, this is good.
यार।
You there watching this, I want you to answer all of these questions. See if you get the answers right or wrong and if you beat these guys or not. Next question. You are driving through Gurgaon during a flood and your engine gets water damaged. But you have a comprehensive car insurance. So your insurer will pay only 50% of your repair cost. Myth or fact?
I think fact. Fact है.
I told you it's an easy answer, but you all are wrong. It's actually a myth.
तो myth है.
So, a standard comprehensive insurance policy does not cover water damage inside the engine. So, you pay 100% of that cost. Have your shots, please. Have to drink.
Yeah, I was drinking water.
Next question. You have a health insurance policy and you get injured due to a war. You are a normal civilian walking on the road. If you go to the hospital, you will not get the claim.
I would like to believe it's a myth.
Fact.
See, yeah?
I don't think there is.
I don't know, but I would like to believe.
The answer is fact.
Yeah, obviously. Correct. Let's go. No shots for us.
अंदर.
My God.
Let's take example of Parashar. Parashar has 50 lakh rupees in his Gmat account.
क्या बात है भाई बहुत तगड़ी है।
And you have a best friend. What's his name?
Mudit.
Mudit. So you have kept Mudit as your nominee. You also have a son. He's not the nominee. Now let's say you pass away.
Oh my God.
All your stocks will be transferred to Mukesh because he's the nominee, not your son. Myth or fact?
मुकेश उसका फ्रेंड मुदित है.
Oh, sorry.
But we get the point.
Myth or fact?
Fact. Fact.
Sorry.
Nominee.
Fact.
I love this because this is myth.
अरे क्यों सर? क्यों?
Nominee is a custodian or trustee. Once the legalities ensue, the person who's the actual legal heir, उसके पास eventually चला जाएगा. So in this case, yes, it would have gone to Mudit, but because we know the legal heir is your son, it would be transferred to your son. Have your shots.
Not knowing.
इतना खराब है क्या? I thought it's...
नहीं है वो लोग.
No. These are the scores at the end of round 1.
Let's go.
However, we have one winner so far, which is Tanya.
Yay!
You guys won't be so happy
Yes.
because she gets a special power. Bring it in. A special power. Place it here. Is magic drink. She can choose anyone over here that she wishes, and you will have to eat it, drink it. I don't know what you do with it.
Okay, can I get a compliment for me, real quick?
No. Next question. Round number 2.
Yes.
For round 2, we'll change the drinks, and these are much worse now. You are on a vacation to Paris.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you order a croissant.
प्रशांत.
Croissant. You are offered to pay, and you insert your card in the machine, and you get an option: INR or Euro. Which one will you pick? A is INR, B is Euro.
I'm in
Euro,
Paris.
Euro,
I'm in
Euro,
Paris,
Euro.
right?
Yes, Didi. INR. The answer is you have to choose B.
I remember a story. I have also traveled abroad, but इतना posh नहीं था. मैं नेपाल गया था. उस टाइम पे I didn't know कि ऐसा कुछ वो charges होते हैं. Withdrew money in INR. तो उसके बाद वहाँ पे मेरे को पता चला था कि कुछ extra पैसे कटे थे.
You pay in the local currency wherever you are in the world. Avoid unnecessary high transaction charges. All right, shots for you. Cheer for her.
Let's go.
पूरा नहीं हुआ. I can see नहीं हुआ.
मुंह का ही पूरा.
Are you ready?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If you guys don't answer this properly, right?
What do you mean?
You're fired. There is a very famous, widely accepted way of personal finance you will find anywhere on the internet. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. Should everyone follow it to save money? A is yes,
No.
B is no.
Subjective है ना?
No.
Can we do a round of applause for them? This is the right answer.
Finally, we're getting something right.
I think people who are just starting out cannot invest when they start off, and this is perfectly fine. Swati and I didn't start long-term investing until we crossed the age of 30.
Actually, when you said that you started at 30, it was a sense of relief for me that कि ठीक है.
That's why I said it. So मैं 30 के बाद start किया. So it's all right if you don't start. What is the hurry? Do you feel it's late? What are your thoughts on this?
No, I know my personality. I'm like this only. I like to travel. I like to spend on myself. I like to spend on people I'm with. My partner is much more.
Raki does it?
Yeah.
So then it's fine, right?
Yeah.
It's
fine.
good. Then you have started.
It's balanced it out.
Next question.
Hold on. I will choose the person who gets this. So here's my theory. I do not want to give it to a person who's been answering correctly because it might just backfire on us. Which is why I'm sorry अनमोल पे तेरे को तो सब tasty लग रहा था.
भारी अनमोल. Perfect. खा ले.
Next question. You are at your Roka ceremony and your best friend gifts you 1 lakh rupees cash. Let's say he transfers it online. Now, this is A, completely taxed. B, maybe taxable depending on bunch of stuff.
So I'll go with taxable.
In my knowledge, gifts are not taxable, is what I know.
Absolutely right. These guys actually did a very good job. Gifts are not taxable on marriage date.
Yes.
But this is Roka.
Yeah.
Yes.
See ya?
Let's go.
Since it's Roka,
Woohoo!
it may be taxed. Short for you. ठीक था.
Oh shit. Okay.
नाक से निकल रहा है.
नाक से नहीं निकला है, मुंह से निकला है.
Poppins.
Open नहीं पानी.
Next question, प्रश्न 4. You're driving down and there's a dent in your car. Acha! The repair cost is 5,000 rupees exactly.
Okay.
But you have comprehensive insurance policy.
Great.
What do? Option A, file insurance claim. B, pay 5,000 out of your own pocket for no reason. Problems.
Peer pressure.
You guys are all correct. So what the insurance company does is, to prevent you from taking money from the insurance, what they do is, they give you a no-claim bonus in case you do not claim. So if it's a small amount like 5,000 rupees, ideally you don't claim it and pay it out of your own pocket. This is end of round 2 and we have 3 winners. 1, 2, 3. I pick one. It's gonna be this guy.
अच्छा, redemption.
And we have a special power for you. Bring it in.
What is this?
तुम लोग क्यों वो हो कर रहे हो?
Revenge time.
क्या है भाई?
भाई तो fear factor का कुछ आ गया.
Fuck is this?
Chili noodles. Chili noodles. This is
These are brains of no. Do you want to use your special powers for someone?
मेरे को किसी ने भड़काया था पिछले राउंड में to give this to you, which is this person right here.
हर
खुद
एपिसोड में
भड़क
ओवर
रहा है.
एक्टिंग करती
तू
है.
खुद भड़क रहा है.
I'm gonna make it after. Food
ये वापस क्यों गिराया?
खाओ ठीक से खाओ एक और खाओ. अरे है. Next round. Let's begin. We'll change the drinks. Also, can we do a round of applause for pre-production for doing all of this? Let's go. Welcome to round number 3. Tanya is winning. This is actually a really fun round. So if all of you are thinking she'll win, इसमें बहुत सारे variables हैं. Everyone over there also has to participate and see if you actually beat Tanya or she beat you. This is a prop question. You have a picture of a road accident, so do you. Assume both of them have comprehensive insurance. Which vehicle will get the insurance claim? You can also say both. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Will get claim na?
1.
Yes.
0. Let's see what your answers are. So you say white, 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 white. Why did you mark brown?
कार नहीं है.
Actually, insurance में about car insurance मेरे को ऐसा पता है. The other party is also included.
You're saying this guy won't get the claim.
नहीं, I'm saying he will get the claim.
ये उल्टा आ रहा है, wrong side है ये.
Look at the road, look at the traffic. What?
Actually, मैं over smart हो गया.
Yes, Prashant, that's right.
Can you cheer him for the shot?
निकला.
So basically, if you're ever taking insurance and you have done something which is wrong, even though there was an accident, आपके पास comprehensive claim है, you are not eligible. If you're driving on the wrong side, you're breaking the law, you will not get money. Next question. Spot all the dark patterns in the 10-minute delivery app. 1, 2, 3, 4.
अरे एक मिनट से एक मिनट. बहुत fast है. अरे एक मिनट
बहुत fast था यार. This was too fast.
Cool, here is the answer. Come, see this together.
ठीक है.
1, saved 46. This is actually a dark pattern. The saving is actually not there. The second is that they pre-added the membership. Now, maybe the membership is good, but they can't take away your choice as a user. Up to 200.
One, two.
I think we all know this. You all marked it also. So these were the 3. Can we do round of applause? So far, what you didn't get, you'll have to have shots. तो तुमको 1 मिला, 2 पीने पड़ेंगे. You have to have 3. Okay, go, go. Let's go.
Let's go.
पीछे clap for them. Go, 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 go.
Please.
So far, Tanya was winning, but because this one had so many variables, she's not winning anymore. The last question will actually decide who will win, and I hope you two are following this, and we'll see who wins. Before I tell the last question, I have a bonus question. All of us are products of circumstance. So if you look at some other kind of life, जहाँ पे शायद पैसे कम थे, maybe you didn't have a lot of money when we were growing up, so you'd hear like पैसे पेड़ पे थोड़ी उगते हैं, मेहनत करो पैसे बनेंगे. We can't eat out every week. You eat out only once every few months. This actually shapes the way you think about money when you grow up. So what were your habits right now that have continued despite that you can probably afford stuff?
I'm very scared of obligations.
Do you have someone in family who had obligations and then that's why you're scared of it?
My father, he took a lot of loan and couldn't pay it back. मतलब I would never take a loan. मतलब जैसे for example, even for a car, I will save, I will invest, and then I will get a car.
My parents have been like, my parents was in defense, so lot of salary was there. I have been conditioned where I don't have to spend much, feel satisfied with whatever you have. So I'm quite glad that those teaching from my parents on those days is still getting carried away.
Cheers to that.
very deep.
But I will not.
हाँ, cheers.
Cheers for this. Cheers. Shots.
With water.
Arey, we should cheers.
अरे तू पी ना.
All right, guys. Last question. Spot all the red flags in this offer letter. It has 5. 5,
सर रुको, बहुत सारा टेक्स्ट है.
3,
I need
2,
air.
1.
Do not read your offer letter like this. Take time.
So how many did you find?
3 only.
How many did you find?
2 only.
3, 4,
5.
You found 5.
5 मिल गया.
4.
सर मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं.
ये है long term employee. इसको bonus मिलेगा. Before I tell you the winners, these are 5 red flags in this offer letter. The CTC was 28.75 lakhs, but the fixed portion was just 8.25 lakhs. So that's a red flag. Second, the notice period was 120 days, which is way too long for any non-managerial employee. Next, the variable pay is purely discretionary, so the payout isn't really guaranteed. then the joining bonus is recoverable if you leave the company before 30 months. And finally, there is a 3-year bond. So if you leave, you have to pay 3 lakhs to the company. I have the marks over here. I hope you have your marks. For the answers you didn't get, you'll have to drink. Go.
बहुत गंदा है.
नहीं हो पाएगा इसके बाद.
एक तो ये गंदा ऊपर से हंसवा रहा है.
Time to post what your score was. Here is the leaderboard so far. That's the winner. Clap for him. Congratulations. I hope this was useful and you learned something new. See you in the next episode.